Okay, I will continue with the next lesson, Lesson 7. So in this article, I will combine finding the ID. I will start from the beginning. Once authenticated, it will be processed for prohibited goods. After processing prohibited goods, they will return to the customer information processing area. This is the area where customer information is processed. Then it will return to the area to get the information code for the package. Then the camera will scan for the number 1 hectare, for example. Once finished, it will return to the package pickup area with the corresponding ID. That's right, if you get it right, you get 80 points, and then it will be put in delivery area. Okay, now, I will review the code. So, in the previous post, I was in the area to get ID information. The word area is from the area that processes this customer information. That is the area where customer information is processed, which is the area to bring the robot back to her number. After it processes customer information, it's here. From this section to here, it will reverse, turn left, turn right, and return to catch. Turn right here. You have to do this, then go back and catch the T and turn left. Stand here. So from this area, it is the area to go to get ID. Back up, turn right, then run to catch T, and turn left. After entering the ID collection area, it will rotate the lever to the left-hand side, and it will swipe. Once done, get an ID. To get an ID. To get an ID, you have to set a flag. To get the ID, go to the junction, then turn the lever to the left. When you're done, lower the lever. This is the part where you lower the lever. Lower the lever, then it will pull back a little so it won't get stuck. Have to wait 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds too. Then the ID will be dialed before you can get it, then you'll have to wait to get the ID. Enter the AI camera. And from here I can determine what the ID pass is and turn on the corresponding light. For example, 1 is red light, 2 is battery, 3 is blue. Hello. It's done. It's done. Let's just run through the area. That's what I'll run through next. At the place where I ran past here, If you run by, you'll see it after it takes the ID and then stands here waiting for the camera. Take it away and then wait here for the camera, right? Once done, it will turn to the right. Then turn right. Come here and he will run to catch T. and continue to turn right.